Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to prepare chickpeas. In Spanish we call it garbanzos salad. Okay, so I'm gonna make a chickpeas salad, garbanzo salad, and I'm gonna add some onions, olive oil, vinegar, and red peppers. Okay, so let's start right now. Stay tuned if you want to watch the whole video and you would like to learn how to make a chickpea salad. So we're gonna need a chickpeas can, and we're gonna take at least already open it with a can opener. I'm gonna make sure I toast the water out. And I'm gonna take at least half of the can. I'm gonna place it here on a bowl. Alright. So the next ingredient we're gonna use, not tuna. I'm gonna make another video based on tuna, how to prepare a tuna salad. Okay, I need a knife. And we're gonna be using some white onions today. I'm gonna chop it off. I'm gonna get rid of the cover because we don't need that. After we remove that, we can toss this out and we keep this. I'm gonna toss this out too. We keep this. So we're using white onions. We start chopping the onion in tiny slices. I'm gonna use half of onion. Chop it in small, tiny pieces. This I'm gonna toss it out too. Okay. Some red pepper. If you have some yellow pepper, you can add it to your chickpea salad. Also, you can use ingredients like tomatoes or red onions, doesn't really matter. Okay, so you're gonna do the same process and you're gonna repeat all over. Cut it in tiny slices, tiny pieces. Red onions, chickpeas, and white onions. So far we have used. Okay, after we are done chopping of that red onion, we're gonna place it inside the bowl. The rest of the ingredients, I'm gonna use the other part of the white onion. Okay, so we keep chopping of vegetables. Okay, the last part that we're gonna need to add is the oil and vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Last but not least, some olive oil. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Put this away. Ensure it's well sealed. And put that apple cider vinegar away. And stir and mix all the ingredients used. If you would like to add some flavor to it, you can add some salt, a little bit of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt today, so let's add some salt, a little tiny bit. I'm usually don't use that much salt, because salt can absorb the liquids of your body fluids. So, and also give you like a puffy face and get your face all swollen up early in the morning. You can see the eye bags when you use a lot of salt. If you don't believe me, one day try to eat some fried chicken, and then the next day check your face and see how it looks. Okay, so I mix all the ingredients, pour some salt, and that's how you make a chickpea salad. If you would like to know more and you would like to get different recipes, please leave a comment down below. Tell me if you like the video, if you learn how to make a chickpea salad, and next time you can make some on your own and you're not gonna need to watch the video. Feel free to do so. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Leave comments down below, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.